Praise the Lord. This is Femi Fenoyo, your host on Maranatha teaching channel. You remember about 2 months ago, in response to the growing global conversation surrounding UFOs and UAPs and alleged alien encounter, we made a deliberate decision to adjust the release order of the Bible series. What we did, we temporarily brought forward several future episodes that address this topic directly. As a result, we skipped episode 354 to 362 and released episode 363 to 377 ahead of schedule. So starting with our next episode, we will return to the episode that we skipped, that is episodes 354 to 362, and resume our normal weekly release schedule. Now, once we have completed those episodes, we will continue from episode 378. We recognize that this temporary reordering may have caused a few continuity glitches within the series. However, we believe it was the right decision, allowing us to address an important, timely subject while it was at the forefront of the public discussion. So thank you so much for your patience, for your understanding, and for your continuing journey with us through the Bible series.